Introducing Coolingstyle, a portable, multifunctional air conditioner that lets you stay cool wherever you go. Not only is it easy and comfortable to use for everyone, but also light, quiet, and loaded with cool features. Coolingstyle works indoor and outdoor and is really the perfect device for any situation. Use it when camping, in tents, in caravans, cottages, in your winter garden, at the beach, in your car, or for your pet. On hot days, you can even bring it to work. Thanks to its economic design and the rotary compressor system, with environment-friendly R134A refrigerant, it's not only very quiet, but also offers a high efficiency ratio. Coolingstyle can be used with a standard power plug, a car charging adapter, or the included battery. You can manually adjust the fan speed and cooling settings in order to adapt to any situation and enjoy big, cooling power in tiny size. There are 2 USB charging ports included and a powerful LED light that can even be turned into an SOS mode. Furthermore, it features an ultrasonic mosquito repellent that helps you get rid of mosquitoes wherever you are. Coolingstyle is an innovative product for everyone. Cool features and latest cooling technology packed into a stylish design, lightweight and easy to use. Our team has been working very passionately over the past 2 years to develop and test this new type of portable air conditioner, and now we need your support to bring it to the market. So please join us and let's stay cool together wherever you go with Coolingstyle.
IcyBreeze is the world's first portable air conditioner and cooler. A premium ice cooler that doubles as an eco-friendly portable air conditioner. This is not a swamp cooler just blowing air across ice. Over 60 parts and components allow IcyBreeze to achieve what no other product in the world can do. The secret behind the IcyBreeze is an innovative design that circulates chilled ice water through a heat exchanger in the lid, replacing the Freon used in most ACs. Fresh air is drawn from hidden vents in the top of the cooler, pulled across the exchanger, and chilled down to 35 degrees cooler than the outside air. A 3-speed fan control delivers IcyBreeze's dry cold air up to 25 miles per hour, just like a car AC. And a stay-put flex hose directs the breeze in any direction. Wherever you need it, IcyBreeze helps you beat the heat.
It is powered by a battery. It is driven by a true rotary compressor. It is the world's most revolutionary portable air conditioner. It is the EvaBreeze MarkⅡ. In 2014, we conceived the idea of making a true battery-powered portable air conditioner. The technical challenges were massive, and it was considered almost impossible. But in 2016, we turned that into reality. With the help of more than 4,000 supporters around the world, we managed to raise over $1.6 million for the original EvaBreeze. It set our ambitious journey since then. Now, after 3 years of intense R&D, we're back with a more powerful, completely redesigned EvaBreeze MarkⅡ to change the game again. The MarkⅡ has major upgrades applied inside and out. With our more powerful patented 24-volt sine wave frequency controlled rotary compressor, the cooling power gets a 200% boost. The outlet temperature may now drop up to 30 degrees Fahrenheit within 10 minutes. The Mark II is also attired with an all-new dual-hose design. With the newly equipped centrifugal fan, both the front and rear outlet have received a significant efficiency lift. The isolation circulatory system between indoor and outdoor air cools twice as fast, but 40% more efficient. ZeroBreeze Mark II has also expanded its features. With the newly added sleep mode, it keeps monitoring the surrounding temperature and it keeps you in a comfortable temperature all the time. On a hot and humid summer day out, dehumidifying is as important as cooling. We've added a dedicated dehumidifier mode this time. With the combination of both, you can always stay cool and dry. We've also redesigned the battery. It can be attached to the main unit in seconds. With a whopping 630 watt-hour capacity, it may keep the ZeroBreeze Mark II going for 3 to 5 hours or the entire night if sleep mode is activated. The battery is now equipped with 2 USB Type-A, a 12-volt DC, and a new Type-C at the front. Your phone, laptop, and other devices are all covered. In the past 3 years, we've kept listening, researching, and improving, and we sincerely thank you for your trust, your patience, passion, and feedback. At this stage, ZeroBreeze Mark II is ready to produce. This time, we are working with one of the world's most advanced AC manufacturers to bring you the world's best portable battery-powered AC. Since its incarnation, it has overcome countless doubts and obstacles, and it has since become more powerful, more efficient, and more user-friendly. And it is ZeroBreeze Mark II. Thank you for supporting us. Together, we make the world a little cooler.